here I have Realme 9i, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to the phone internal storage on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts application, switch to the SIM card, tap here once again, go to the contacts app settings and select export and import SIM card. OK. Then select where you want to save it to this device, select contacts which you want to save and tap import. And after that these contacts will be imported to our device, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.